can't stay. Hi everyone, welcome back. This video has me so excited to even film. I'm starting to get back into makeup and doing makeup. I think because wedding season is here and it's just such a beautiful time for everything. Like the weather's perfect. Home decor is amazing and makeup is so elegant. I actually ended up doing this look on myself when I ended up getting married. I did my own makeup. Unfortunately, I didn't take so much pictures of my makeup because honestly I felt so pressured doing my own makeup and it didn't come out as good as this. I'm gonna have all my social media links down below and everything that I used in this video down below as well. For my wedding I did wear white, although I should have had worn black, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, keep on watching to see how I created this look. Bye. Alright you guys, so the first shadow I'm going to take is obviously a transition shade that's only a few shades darker than my eyelid. I'm going to actually put this all over my eyelid and then you're going to keep this fluffy brush in hand just in case you guys come back with it. I'm going to have all the things that I use, especially the brushes because the brushes are affordable. Majority are from BH Cosmetics, so I have everything listed down below. Okay, we're gonna start building up the crease. I'm gonna just take this shade and then I'm gonna take a darker shade later on just to build up the intensity on the crease. Now it's gonna look messy at first, but since you guys are gonna keep that fluffy brush on the side, you guys are going to blend everything out so it does look like an ombre effect, just so you don't have any harsh lines on the crease. And all I'm doing here is picking up a darker shade and I'm going to put this directly on the crease again over the shade that we used on the crease the first time. It's just building up the intensity. In every makeup tutorial you do not have to use the same shadows. You just have to build up intensity, get similar color, just one little bit darker than the other. That's all I'm doing here. It doesn't matter what palette you're using as long as you go from the same tone of shades, just a little bit darker from one another. That's all it is. And again, if it's messy, it's okay because you're gonna do a cut crease anyway, like I'm gonna show you guys here, and it's fairly easy. I do have very small lid space, so cut crease for me works great because it makes my lids actually look bigger than they really are. Now with the cut crease, I'm not going to go all the way across my eyelid. I'm just going to stop halfway through, and that's where I'm going to put the lightest shade or the shimmer shades, which looks very elegant when it comes to pictures. So I'm just going to take any shimmer shade because I'm actually going to put glitter over it. I'm just going to spray the brush, get a flat brush, and then start putting on a shade, and then you're going to put glitter after that. Don't put glitter directly to a naked eyelid because then you're going to have color seeping through of the skin. It doesn't look all that great, so make sure you add a base before you actually add the glitter. I'm going to use these Stila glitter sticks or whatever they're called. I honestly love these. These are so pigmented and they last so long on the lid. I ended up wearing one of them on my wedding day and I did not have any breakage on the eyelid, so yeah, I was very happy. All I'm doing here is adding black. Now I know a lot of people don't like, again, the intensity when it comes to wedding makeup, but I do. And I ended up putting black just in the corner of my eye. If you guys could tell, I'm not wearing tape, just so you know you could keep that one sharp edge, because either way, honestly, you guys could literally wipe it off with the makeup wipe and then create your own edge and then work with your face. So this is why, like, for the purpose of this video, I didn't do that because I already had my face done. But if you guys work from the eyes to the face, it's a really good trick. I rather just not use tape because it's a waste and my house is always a mess, so it's hard to find tape at my house. All I'm doing here is just adding liquid liner to my top lash line. I'm not gonna do a very intense liner because I do want the eyeshadows to be the star of the show. I'm basically gonna do a basic eyeliner or wing liner and then just put the lashes on just so the lashes don't look like you're wearing, you know, or have that lash line picking through. So liner is the best way to go when you are wearing lashes, especially on this day, because you could cover up any mistakes that you did with your lashes. So I'm just going to dust up any of the powder that I have left over since I did my face first. I have a lot of powder all over my face just in case I had any fallout. Don't forget this step, you guys, because you do not want to go out in your wedding with powder all over your face. I am going to go ahead and line my waterline. I'm going to tight line my waterline using a brown Kat Von D pencil. I don't want to use black because I feel like black is just too harsh, but I am going to do powder on the bottom lash line. So I'm going to use brown on my waterline and then black on my lash line, and then I'm just going to go ahead and blend it out with a lighter shade just so it doesn't look like you have raccoon eyes on your wedding day. So I'm going to just go back with a lighter shade, like a brown shade like I did here, and then just go ahead and blend that all together. Next, I'm just going to put a little bit more glitter on the inner part of my eye. And if you guys are curious, I ended up getting these snails from Kiss. You could find these snails at Walmart and they're only around $7. They look so natural. Every time I wear this brand on my nails, everyone gives me compliments how natural looking they are. So if you guys are curious, I'll have the link down below, but again, you guys could definitely look these up at Walmart. All I'm doing here is just highlighting that brow bone just with a matte shade because I do have shimmer all over my eyelid and I'm about to add shimmer on my cheeks right now. I'm using this one from Artist Couture. I spray my face first just so it creates like a paste so that glitter, because it's like this, it's a highlighting shade but it has like small glitter on it, so I don't want all that to fall over my face, so I spray my face first so it could just be sticky and then just start highlighting. All I'm doing here is just highlighting the high points of my face, and I'm just adding a little bit extra just so in the pictures you could actually look very glam. And then the last step is just the lips. Now I do use a liquid lip gloss. I don't recommend actually using a lip gloss because, you know, when you kiss it transfers, blah blah blah, but I want to look good, okay? I just added this final step, but definitely skip this step and then during the party or whatnot, add this step. Other than that, thank you guys so much. Don't forget to follow me on my social medias and have a great day on your wedding day. Yeah. What?
Damn, good thing you didn't look like that last night.
Babe, get out of here. Don't say that.